Five questions.
Yes, Kuya. Eagle Harris, Calabarzon, Cavite Region 1. This is just a clarification with regards doon sa katarungang pang-agile. Babalik ko lang po, no? Napag-usapan kanina kasi na question, yung effectivity po ng katarungang pang-agile. Now, I believe kasi the katarungang pang-agile was approved and adopted during the 44th National Assembly in General Santos, if I am not mistaken. Now, nakalagay kasi doon sa katarungang pang-agila, the effectivity will start upon the approval of the National Assembly. So, basically, ang gusto ko lang linawin, ito po ba ay epektibo ng ipapatupad natin this fiscal year 2025?
If I also remember it correctly, approve siya pending comments within 15 days. Eh yun, no? Kung naalala ninyo, yung mga attend yung assembly, approve siya. However, team approve siya. However, depending on kung ano yung mga comments na ibigay within 15 days. Unfortunately, walang comment na nag-submit. So, after that, 15 days, another 15 days, approved na siya. So, yun yung ano yun. So, for all intents and purposes, talagang yung isang katarungan kong agila na yun, na na-aprobahan ng assembly na yun, is already been approved. Confirmation na lang, basically. So, this coming assembly, papakonfirm na lang natin, basically, yung contest. Since wala naman ang comment, on record, wala nang comment, although namin nagsalita pero nagkatay kami ng comment, walang dumating. So, yun yun. So, itong confirmation na lang, as per NP, confirm na lang natin dito sa dating assembly. Then after that, we will now be releasing the internal rules and regulation for it to be implemented fully.
Maraming salamat po yan. Kaya ko lang naman siya naitanong. Actually, kasi may yung mga queries kasi ng mga point governors natin. Basically, nandun siya, nasa loob siya. While yung question kanina, it regards doon sa mga members who are requesting to transfer, and the club denied or choose not to answer. Actually, meron naman nakalagay doon. Well, in fact, nahanay siya dun sa gross misconduct or abuse of authority. Yung for failure to issue clearance upon demand despite eligibility of the club. So, gusto ko lang din yung paglilinaw lang kasi this coming April, mag-discuss din po kasi ako sa region with regards sa kung ano yung nilalaman doon sa katarungang pang-agila. Maraming salamat po yung lamang.
Kuya, with regard doon sa clearance, no? Doon sa ating constitutional bylaw, section 14, transfer or reactivation. Transfer members, all members in reactivation shall be allowed subject to the usual obligation of a Eagle member to pay and settle all financial obligations to the Eagles Club and region concerned. Upon proper notice, securing the permit to transfer, we shall be given without any other condition except settlement of all dues and financial obligation. And with due notice, all requests to transfer revocation at least 30 days prior to such transfer. So, very ano na lang yun, kuya, na kailangan talaga, ang tanong ko ano yung nagiging hindrance ng mga club na hindi nagbibigay ng clearance doon sa mga members na wala naman ang obligations. Actually, sa totoo lang, bakit nagka-transfer yan? Isang question yan. Anong dahilan? Bakit lumilipat? So, masipag naman, nagbabayad naman ng obligation. Most kayo na nagiging complaint eh. Then, bakit hindi sila pinapayagan? Kasi kung ako, hindi ako good standing, wala akong lakas loob na hingin ng clearance. Di ba, Kuya Go? So anyway, again, yung sinabi ko kanina, na halimbawa, humingi nyo na wala namang obligation, pasuhin na lang po ako, bigyan nyo na po sila ng clearance. Kaya,
Yes, kaya regarding naman dun sa mga club presidents, no? Actually, the club president has the power also to decline the request, considering that the request might tarnish or put the club into a status of not in good standing, considering the required numbers. For example, if the member requesting to transfer is part of the 25 required number of a club, I don't think na walang karapatan yung mga club president to deny the transfer, whether he is a good standing member of the club. Kuya Henry.
wala naman tayong policy na kuya. Halimbawa, club mo, 25, iba, umalis yung isa, good standing naman. Release mo na lang, kasi pwede mo na siya i-fill up. Pwede mong i-fill up yan. Pwede mo siya i-fill up. Umanap ka ng, umanap ka ng kapalit niya para maging 25 ulit.
Noted, kuya.
Okay, thank you.
Maraming salamat.